See, if a particle is in a vertical circular motion, then it requires certain minimum speed at different points. If it has to complete one circular path, okay, it need a minimum speed of root 5 g r at the bottom, where r is the radius of that circle. When it reaches the top, the minimum speed should be root gr. Bottom root 5 gr, at the top root 2 gr. Now, if the speed is not this much, the particle cannot complete the path. If the speed is like a root 4 gr, then the particle will go like this one, and at a certain point it loses all velocity and will become zero velocity. Then from there it will fall. So the minimum speed required at the bottom is root 5 gr. That point is required to solve this question. Now the second thing is, if a particle falls downward, it loses potential energy and it gains kinetic energy. If a particle falls from a height h, then the initial potential energy will be mgh, and when it reaches the bottom, this will be converted into kinetic energy, half mv square. Okay, so here you have to apply this concept from A to B. From A to B, as it is following a curved path. Okay, nothing is mentioned about the friction and the path, so we have to consider it as a smooth path. So in a smooth path, there is no energy loss due to friction. So initial energy at A, you can write at A, it has got potential energy, and this will become kinetic energy at B. Okay, so using this you can calculate the speed at the point. So the speed at B, speed V, you can see that you can cancel m and m cancels, 2gh, it will become root of 2gh. Okay, this is the speed acquired when it is at B. Now at B, what happens is that this is trying to move in a vertical circle, and if it has to complete the circular path, then the minimum speed at the bottom, the minimum speed, that's what we started, V minimum must be equal to root 5 gr, where r is the radius given in the question. Now if the particle has to go around the circle, complete circle, then equation 1 and equation 2 compare. Equation 1 should be greater than equation 2, because if the speed is less than this thing, it cannot complete. So the concept is like this one, root 2gh must be greater than or equal to root 5 gr. Comparing, see both the side has got root, so we can write 2gh must be greater than or equal to 5 gr. What is required? The condition is h and in terms of, so g and g cancels here. You want everything in terms of h. H must be greater than or equal to 5r divided by 2. That is answer. Option 4 is the answer.